It's an orange ball. That is a bird! Everybody's been sharing the insane results you can get with generative fill for Photoshop, but that's not what I'm doing. Because we've seen the incredible results you can get using this, but I want to break it. I want to make it fail. I want to see where its strong points are, where its weak points are, and we're gonna get a little silly. We'll try that. Try something easier. It's a black shirt. Let's make it white. This gets me because right here it's doing okay, and then my hands turn into holding a cell phone. What happened here? What? No, it doesn't like hands. The shirt itself isn't bad, but the hands are nope. We're just not gonna do that. Let's go with a different photo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, so don't highlight it over top of people. It won't do well. And these mountains look okay. Okay, that's fine. So this, okay. We can do better. I think you just have to highlight a small area because it's doing something. So it's just a blank space and we're gonna try to put a mountain there. So hopefully that'll be better. I really like this shot that I took though. Okay, what is that? How did that, I don't even know what this is. At first I thought it was some kind of bird or something, but like, that's not bad. I like that it kept it still foggy. You can zoom in and it looks enough like a mountain that it's believable. There's some birds. I'm gonna try to get this looking okay, because so far all I've done is break this. I haven't had a working option, so granted it's because I've set it up for failure. But oh my god. I don't know what that is, but that's not a bird. It resembles what am I looking at? Okay, whoever says AI is gonna take our jobs, just take a gander at that. Just take a look-see. Just take a peek. Just a peek. Okay. Okay. Hopefully we can get smaller birds and they'll look better. Okay. Minus whatever this and this are, it's not terrible. Like, these don't fully look like birds, but what if I just take that, take a brush, and I'll just mask out these weird bits of whatever is going on there. Because those, I don't like those. I don't like it. Nope, not a fan. I just want them to be a little foggier. And I want to see if it can add stuff like that to this. Just add a bit of fog. That's it. Nothing crazy. Nope. Never mind. Forget I said anything. What do we have for bird options here? Nope. I'm touching the mic. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so that's still the best bird option. Okay. Let's try this photo of me in New York. What if I just expand it out? What if I do that? Granted, it's not the easiest background to expand. There's a lot of detail. There's a lot of moving parts going on. There's a car in there that's half cut off. There is an AI car collision here that looks like it's a real life glitch. Something happened here. The pattern is a little off. Here it's okay. Here it's actually okay. It's just a little blurry. It's not as sharp. I don't know what happened there. Okay, so it makes it all a little blurrier. The ground became a little wonky. It looks like somebody did a really bad clone stamp job, and I don't know what this is, but I don't like it. I don't know. No. When I expand it, granted, I'm getting into more cityscape territory, which it seems this has a problem with. I'm not doing my legs because that's just gonna get weird, I've learned. If I do my legs, it's not gonna work. This has turned from trying to break generative fill to trying to make generative fill work. Because so far it just hasn't been. What the? This building, okay, it looks a little weird. If you put a blur on this side of it here, you could probably get away with it. Trees look okay. Water looks pretty okay. You might want to blur in this together a little bit. It knows it's the CN Tower, but it just makes it a lot taller because the CN Tower would end like here, and then it just makes it bigger and bigger and bigger. It's like I don't know what happened there, but I mean, the CN Tower got an addition. So there's that. What does this look like? This is closer to the height of the CN Tower. These buildings I'm okay with, besides they look a little kind of ultra smoothed. I've noticed the AI feature likes to do that, is ultra smooth things a bunch, because it can't quite get the detail. I think this is probably the best one I've seen, just on a quick glance. But all in all, that expand job isn't, that one wasn't bad. That was okay. Let's do some people walking along the beach in LA. Let's do that. First, we're gonna expand this thing in every direction. I think this photo will probably give us the biggest fighting chance. I've realized it doesn't like people. It has the hardest problem with, which it just added a couple in. And I don't know what these two are doing, because that looks like two people, but is there no people in this one? There's no people. Okay, you might have to clone the edge here a little bit just to make it smoother. Let's see how it can do creating a full boat. That's not bad. That's more what I was looking for. I think that looks the best though, because that looks a little wonky up front. I'll take that. That's okay. Just a little one, just a little mountain. That's all, just a little mountain. No. 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 Let's just try adding a mountain, not in the distance. Let's just try add a mountain, because that didn't know what it was doing. So I think maybe simplicity is the key here. Oh dear God. That's okay. That is not. We'll go with that. We'll do that. How are we looking so far? How have we broken it yet? Not quite. Okay. So far we're doing okay. I'm trying to do things that make sense and just seeing if I can break them. That's a nice one. That one's weird. That's better. Okay. What do we got here? Nope. That's not. Nope. That's not. Nope. 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 No. I'm sorry. Nope. You go bye-bye. Okay. I want to put something. Let's. You know what? Tatooine. We're making it Tatooine. It's happening. My inner child screaming right now. You can't see it. I have a lightsaber hung up over there on the other side of my office. Come on, don't. I said 2. I'll take it. Or is it sons? It's 2 sons. My inner child is disappointed with me. Add 2 sons. No! No. No. Add 2 planets. This is going to go horrible. One of them is going to have rings. I know it will. I can just tell based on what generative AI has done. I have actually broken it. Great. I can't. No, stop it. 2. See? That's a ring. I called it. I called it. You heard it. I called it. It was going to have a ring on it. Why? 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 Add a setting sun. Just an orange ball. That is a bird! I thought this was going to work better. All you see are these great images of generative AI working so well. And then there's whatever this was. I know I set out to break it. I thought I would have to try harder. I just want to make this into a weird Tatooine situation. That's like a hot air balloon. All right. Anyways.